Hello everyone. In today's video is I wanna show and share to you my first ever grocery vlog. And I wanna say especially thank you to the sponsor, my always supportive big brother. Thank you for all your support to my family. Thank you so much. We're going to the Naval Town and we will ride a habal-habal, a motorcycle with a rope. And this is our way here going to Naval Town or city. And when there is no on motorcycle, you just have to ride a habal-habal where you want to go. And look my son how he expert to ride a motorcycle. And there's a gasoline station here. And we are here in Naval Town. As you can see, there's more store or establishment. And we are here. As you can see, there's a lot of flowers because the Valentine's Day is coming. My first entered was the grocery store, and my husband also work here, but he doesn't come in now because he's not feeling well. So my first stock is my son diaper. This is the important, especially when it's raining. He always wee wee. And into the bath and laundry essentials area. I'll put a downy for the laundry. And I'll put a shampoo for that using our thick bath. And also here laundry station. I'll put a powder soap for laundry for clothes. And a sunrocks for the white clothes and color safe like that. And I did not forget the Nescafe and the Creamier for a coffee every morning. This is the one of the important. And especially my kids' favorite, Milo. The morning is not complete without a Milo. You know, I'll put dishwashing liquid. No, it's a dishwashing paste. And also snacks for my kids. That is favorite. And it's time to pay it in the counter, and we're talking to the cashiers because we are friends.
Ay!
Muna bag nga jersey dili. And this guy is my cousin. We want to say hi. So we're done in the grocery. The next we're going to the department store to buy a laundry basket. There's more gifts, Valentine's gift here. Then I also bought a toys for my sons because you know this is just his happiness, a toys. And he like the helicopter toys so that he can go on. I bought for him. Then I lock a laundry basket here, this area. Then my son was happy on his helicopter toys. Then finally I find the laundry basket here. Then I look up for the kuan, how much the price, but they did not put it here in the basket. So that I will check it for the cashier or ask for the price. Then I look up some things here. First, maybe next time there's money to buy. There are many appliances here, a washing machine, and there's more different kinds of television. There's a cheap and there's expensive. You know that there's 6,000, 5,000, 4K plus. Then they have a expensive one, the 12,000. I think it's 55 inches of the TV. So that I will check, but I did not purchase because you know that there's no money for right now. There's a lot of crockpot here, a beautiful crockpot. Then the stand pan like that. There are many good house items, but the money is lacking. And it's time to pay the counter on what I bought in the department store. The laundry basket and the helicopter toys for my kids. And we went to the market to buy some ingredients. Here, my suki.
Oh, dito sud-sud kay mapay tag gulay. Diri.
Ako damo sa talong. Then I get an onion and garlic. Also bought a pichay for chicken soup for our lunch later. Salt, black pepper and seasoning. And I'm here in the meat section. I bought 1 kilo of chicken. This is for about 220 pesos per kilo. 1 kilo of chicken is 200 pesos. And there is another department store here, the G&F. Then we bought some ice cream for my kids. Here, you know that ice cream is the ultimate favorite of the kids.
Katong na tong baso nga dako. Ada ara. Tagpila ning anit eh. 60. Oh. Unsay gusto nimo flavor? Queso. Ada.
And I pay for it for about 60 pesos in 1 cup of ice cream. And we are here in the bakery to buy some bread for my nephew.
Tara, let's go.
And we were going home now because my son is annoying, very annoying to me. Look how his face. And there's a Jollibee here, a kid's ultimate favorite. Especially my son. My eldest son wants chicken Jollibee. And that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.